Good morning. Early start with chemtrails here in Darlington. Hell of a mixed sky. I've only got a second to do this. The car's frozen up. There's that one there.
The difference is bloody.
Straight across. It's a mixture of wisps and bloody chemtrails.
Mine is saying up car windows, yours is saying bloody chemtrails, you bugger.
I'm trying to save the world. Wreck 'em up. Fresh one just laid over there.
Mine's just little things to say about these.
Anyway, mad dash. 5 to 9 and I'm late.
Oh God.
Just a quickie because she's waiting for me at school. There you go. Oh, bloody lot's done. And now we're back home. I've got that one over top. So if you keep dancing out of focus, I can't stand autofocus, it's a pack of crap. And down the street, some new trails.
3 cameras and you moan about every single one.
Red one's alright, it's the old one. The big black one's a brick, the little black one's a pain in the arse.
Right.
At least it's warm in the car. For now. What, you want keys there? Right.
Yeah, that was going in the house.
There you go.
Thank you.
So, I've got all my things here. I plastered the car with this lot, you know. Oops, come on, get it right. Let's get it right. What have we got? Governments are. Yep. Shit. That's one on the street. A long time back. The letter about Department for Transport denying that chemtrails exist. You have to pause it. That's on the other side. Another picture taken from the park. Quickly go through them. Flat Earth. Yep, makes sense. Flight plans. Yep, again. Stars. Stars. Oh, one I never did properly. Flat Earth, UN symbol. Flat Earth. Flat Earth jet streams. Sorry if there's any of these copyrighted, but they're getting good use. UK skywatch.co.uk. And probably all seen that one before. Flat Earth again. Right, one to our sites, that's what we call them. Right, that's on most of them actually. Extermination, sounds about right, doesn't it? Silent is consent, spread the word and fight back. Quite a few of these that's been faded in the sunlight. There's a twister out the back. See, quite a few of these. I've just got to sort out which ones go where. I really should do some more prints. Now that is a belter. Certainly Flat Earth. Alright, certainly. There you see. Chemtrails on back. Flat Earth man-made skies and truth. The lie about NASA. Bastards. Flat Earth. And that one again. Sky. And what stars really look like. You want to look that up. The last one, and he's putting up with the old doofer on it. Right, let's have a quick look at the sky. I know it might parked up properly. See about getting out. One sec. It'll have a look the other way. There's that one across the top. Nearly. Time now 9:15. Anyway, I hope you have a nice day. I'm getting in. It's bloody freezing out here. See ya.